Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore a OnePlus phone using local backup recovery, full guide step by step clearly. To restore a OnePlus phone using local backup recovery, begin by turning on your device. Unlock your phone to access the home screen. Navigate to the Settings app. Scroll down and select System. Tap on Backup. Ensure that your local backup is enabled and up to date. Return to the main settings menu. Scroll down and select About Phone. Locate and tap on Backup and Reset. Choose Factory Data Reset to initiate This may require you to input your device password or PIN. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the reset. Once the factory reset is complete, your phone will reboot. During the setup process, connect to your Wi-Fi network. Proceed until you reach the Apps and Data screen. Select Restore from Backup. Choose Local Backup from the available options. Your device will search for available local backups. Select the most recent backup you wish to restore. Confirm your selection and wait for the restoration process to complete. Once finished, your OnePlus phone will reboot again. You can now set up your preferences and applications. Check that all your data has been successfully restored. Explore your phone to confirm everything is in order. Your OnePlus device is now restored using local backup recovery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.